2 years ago, I sat down at my desk inside the small room I was renting on Craigslist, just like I had 1,000 times before. But this time was different. I knew I'd always wanted to start YouTube, but I was scared. I didn't know how to make a video, I didn't know how to edit, I didn't know what I was doing. But I did it anyways. And my closet door was open in my small Craigslist room, my hair was all messed up, the lights were off, and I didn't even have a microphone. And the first video that I spent over an hour recording crashed and erased everything I did. It was terrible, and everything that could have gone wrong did. But I did it. And since that decision I made sitting in my dark room alone, one night living in the room I was renting on Craigslist, I've made over $10 million, helped over 1 million entrepreneurs, my videos have been seen over 15 million times, and most importantly, we just crossed 500,000 subscribers on YouTube. And all of that almost didn't happen because of a computer error erasing my first ever YouTube video. So this video is a dedication to all the hustlers out there who feel like nothing is moving the needle and feel like no matter how hard they work, nothing's changing. Trust me when I tell you, you're always just one decision away from changing everything. So stick with it, because if you're ever about to give up, remember that it's always hardest right before you break through. So this video is dedicated to you, all 500,000 of you, all 10 football stadiums packed to the brim full of you, who think what I have to say is cool enough to give me just a few minutes of your time. And some of you may watch just for the tips on making money, and others of you may watch for me, Kevin David. But no matter who you are and why you watch, wherever you are in the world, you matter. Because without you, none of this would have been possible. So never give up, because if you do, you never know what you might have missed. And so from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you, thank you. Because you mean more to me than you could ever know. And we'll see you at 1 million. This is my first video. I'm gonna give you guys a tiny bit of background really quickly on me. I grew up in Oregon, went to high school, went to college there.